Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this little header up here. That is simply an image. So you can use either Google Slides or Google Drawing to make that image. And that is quite simple. Just open up a new slide. You can type in slides.new or do it this way, which this way is a little longer. I wish I had just typed in slides.new, but it's okay. So once you have your slides open, then just go ahead and get rid of this stuff here. And then you want to resize your slide. I like them kind of thinner at the top, but you don't have to have them thin. So just scroll down here and go to page setup. And from page setup, we want custom. I'm just going to use 3 by 1. You could use 6 by 2. You could use 3 by 3 if you want them to look a little more square. It's entirely up to you, but I know that 3 by 1 works. So I'm going to apply the size. And then I am going to change my background, and maybe I'll choose an image for this one. Hopefully I have a decent image on my I'll do Google image search for spring. Let's see what comes up. So, okay, I like that. I'm going to insert it. Yeah, it doesn't look great. It's distorted, but for our purposes, I'm just going to leave it. And I'm going to come over. I'm not going to do text. I'm going to insert word art because I want the words to be good. So I'm going to go to word art, and I'm going to say next. And remember, you have to shift enter to get to the next line. Next week. And then hit enter. It'll show here. Might change the font to Patrick Han, makes it a little bit more friendly. And then this color is not horrible. Maybe I'll just leave that and resize it, bring it up, and I could make it a little bigger, but I want it to be able to be seen. So there is some thought into maybe giving a solid background, but I'm going to leave this for right now. I'm going to change the name to Keep Header. And then I will download it. I'm going to download it as a PNG. I'm going to come back over to Keep, and I'm going to take a note. And I want to click up here in the title, and then I'm going to add an image. I am in my downloads, so I called that Keep Header. Here it is. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to open it. And here's my note. Whoops. I'll give it a title, Things to Do. And I can close it. And there it is right there. So you can see this header is just a little bit wider than my other headers, but you can play around with the size, whichever size looks best for you. And that's all there is to it. I would like to say that when you're adding the image, make sure you click up to the title and add the image. If you click at take a note, the image will go down here and you won't have a nice border up at the top. That's all there is to it.